Good morning, everyone. Oh, Christ. It's getting cold. I'm not going to lie. It is getting chilly. 4 degrees still outside, 8 degrees in here. Priority number one, get the burner going. Which I have done, so hopefully that's going to warm up in a minute. Burner going, coffee on. Oh God. That's the routine, because then you get the heat from the gas ring as well. And you know, clever me just realised that I slept with the bloody window wide open last night, so no wonder it was cold. Looks nice though, nice outside, no rain. We've got blue sky in a minute. The sun's about to come over the clouds. It's going to be a nice day, I think. But yeah, this is the coldest it's been so far. I know it's nothing compared to what it's going to get to, but it's good doing it this way because you gradually acclimatise to it. And you open the window, and that's the view outside. It's just... There you go, look, the sun's on its way up. Just got to come over that cloud, and it'll be lovely. Nice socks.
Thank you. Lost soul. You lost soul. Oh, I don't know where to look.
Right.
So
Marie's navigating today. She's chose the spot.
yeah,
She's leading the convoy.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's part of it.
Honey.
What?
I'm not used to it.
So?
Well, don't ever make a nasty comment about if I go wrong then, because you'll ruin my confidence. Because that's what
You're
happens.
leading the pack.
And then I never want to do it again.
Well, don't go wrong then. Just think there's only 3 other people behind you relying on your every decision.
I mean, they have maps too.
So?
You have a brain, don't you?
No.
No. Start Honey's van. Right, if you want to know... Oh wait, I did it wrong already. So you just get these two together. And you put them in like that. And go click, click. You take that out of gear. And then you click that. And that.
No, God.
No.
No, turn that off.
That one. No, that's a light. Oh wait, you gotta wait. I can't remember the...
Is the injector light flashing?
No. No, it's not. Shut up! And then, can I do it? Have I done everything right?
I don't know if the light's not flashing, you've not immobilised it.
If the light's not flashing?
If the light is flashing.
No, it's not. There's nothing flashing.
Okay, come on then.
Okay. This is what's going to sound like. Like that.
Now you hit switch 2. And then the B2B. Just checking the thing, so far we have driven 3,628 kilometres. Right, Marie is doing the navigating. So let's see what country we end up in. We have made it. It looks like a pretty amazing spot as well. Hopefully. Sloppy down here. Okay, we found something a bit better down the road, so it's the end of this gravel track. I don't think that was the actual park-up. That's better, folks. That is better. And I'm just buying my permit now. 50k, which is about £4 or something. 13th of October, wow. That means it's my birthday tomorrow. Fishing on my birthday.
Because I'm excited for you.
First one, perch.
Oh, he's lovely.
Just hooked right on the edge of the lip.
Wait, let's show everyone his fins.
Gorgeous fish, isn't there?
Oh, I don't want you to kill him.
I'm not, he's going back.
Okay, good. Can I stroke him?
Just watch the gills because they're sharp.
Oh, hello, fishy. You're not going in our dishy.
Yeah. I know you can eat perch, but I don't want to because what's that, like half a sandwich?
Bye, fish. Why is he not
He
swimming?
will in a minute, you've got to let him recover.
Okay.
Go when he's ready, look.
Oh, I'm back to life.
Yeah.
Oh, he's lovely.
Yes, I'm not shit.
And he's not shit.
That was first cast on this side as well.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I feel better now. I know it's only a little perch, but it doesn't matter.
Big
Another
daddy.
one.
Is he worth it?
Huh?
Is he worth it?
I don't know, I want to catch a pike really.
Yeah, put him back.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's good
Nice
size.
though, isn't it?
Yeah, if you're on your own, probably, but...
I mean, that'd be alright to eat, you get the fillet off it, but it's just nice actually
Good luck.
catching.
Good luck in there. God, he's solid.
Mm. Just found a nice bit of dead standing pine over in the woods there. It's a little bit damp towards the bottom, but I think it should be alright to get this going. Hopefully, keep us warm. To give you an idea of temperature, it is currently 3.6 degrees outside. Bit of a fire going here. Take the edge off. Oops. That was if I don't crush the whole thing.
Oh, you sleepy bean.
Oh man.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah. As far as places to wake up on your birthday go, this isn't half bad. It was definitely chilly last night. But the plan is to have a nice relaxing day here and enjoy the sunshine because it is blue skies. I've just tilted the solar up so I'm getting about 7 amps coming in, which isn't bad.
I need something.
Ball.
I feel like I have to run some water up to wash these clothes because I might get frostbite.
Well then, today's a bit of a contrast to yesterday. Been out for an hour, lost 4 lures. No bites. No, well, it's all good. Need to do some chores. Need to wash me briefs. So, just going to do it here in the lake. Well, with lake water. Seeing as it's a nice sunny day, they can dry. Hopefully they will dry okay. Van's quite warm, so should help. Next job to do is get some drinking water. Probably doesn't really need filtering that much from here, but we're going to do it anyway. So what I'm going to do is go to the lake, fill this up, and then come back. There we go, easy. Awesome day, really awesome day. It's pissing cold though. Now 3 degrees already, sun's just dropped. It's going to freeze again tonight. I think it dipped to -4 in the night by the looks of things. So yeah, sign of what's coming, I guess. Give you one last look at this spot. This is like a little barbecue area. If it was a bit warmer, or there's a few more of us. Just look at this. Listen to that. Nothing. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call peace. We are going to leave this spot now though, we're not going far. Martin and Deb actually aren't with us now. They left when we arrived at this spot yesterday. They peeled off to go and buy a new drone because about a week ago theirs decided to do a nosedive into one of the lakes. But they got that, but they've carried on driving. So they're now about 5 hours ahead of us north. So yeah, obviously we're not going to go racing up to them because there's no point, but we are obviously, you know, going against the weather a little bit, so we do need to still make progress each day. Right then, onwards to the next location. Might get lucky and see some moose. It's the right time to be out. Drive steady in case one comes flying out in front of the van. We have arrived at the spot. Obviously you can't see anything, but we're by a river. It will do for the night. Just running a bit of heat into the back. I think I'm going to sign off for today. There's not much else really going to happen. About to go around Marie's for dinner. She's cooking a lasagna in the Omnia. Fitting, seeing as we're in Sweden. But yeah, right folks, I shall see you all tomorrow. Probably be driving early-ish tomorrow I imagine, so be somewhere new. Alright, catch you in a bit.